des oiseaux dans la charmille from the Contes d'Hoffmann, which is also sometimes referred to as the doll piece or the doll song. Now the reason it's called the doll song is because
I found her.
So this song is called the doll song because, yeah. Just keep talking. Okay, so this song is called the doll song because this is a part in the aria. It's sung by Olympia. Olympia is the creation of a mad scientist who is actually a doll. If you couldn't, yeah. And what happens? This is sort of the aria where Olympia is sort of showing off what she can do.
She can walk.
And she can walk. Look at that.
Yeah, so can I. I'm not sitting at my spot no more.
And the story, significant of this story is that Hoffmann, who this opera is about, falls in love with Olympia without knowing that she's actually a doll. So there you go. Is she staying put?
I hope so.
All right. All right. So here's the doll song.
chanson.